have already discussed how to determine the new profit sharing ratio in case of a death of a partner, and we have also done how to determine the share of profit or loss up to the date of death, right? So this is another topic of this chapter, that is the preparation of deceased partner's capital account. As I have already told you earlier also कि इस chapter च बेटा sometimes they ask you to prepare only deceased partner's capital account. Okay, instead of giving you the question कि तुसी partners capital account बनाओ सारे partners दा, तो specifically deceased partner दा capital account पूछ लेंगे आप. Okay, so बेटा first of all जिवें ਆਪਾਂ normal capital account बनाने हमेशा ਆਪਾਂ balance brought down लिखते हैं सब तो पहला. So we'll be doing the same, that is balance BD on credit side, right? Normally capital account का जो balance आ वो credit ही हुंदा हमेशा. In case current account the balance is given then it could be credit balance as well as debit balance, right? So अगर थोड़े कोले current account दे credit balance आ तो तुसी वो credit side लिख दोगे, and अगर बेटा current account दा debit balance आ तो तुसी वो debit side लिख दोगे. Okay, so balances हमेशा question च given होंगे, right? And then तुसी check करोगे whether there is any loan by partner or loan to partner, right? In case deceased partner ने loan firm ਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ, right? Then तुसी ਉਹਨੂੰ credit side record करोगे because you are supposed to make the payment for that loan also ना. Okay, and in case we have given the loan to the deceased partner तो ਅਸੀਂ debit side record करांगे, loan to partner account. Okay beta, then you will be writing the share of profit up to the date of death. ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ normally P&L suspense account open ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. in case share of profit ਆ ਬੇਟਾ तो ਅਸੀਂ credit side record करांगे. in case बेटा share of loss आ तो ਅਸੀਂ debit side record करांगे. Okay, next बेटा जी if we have revaluation profit तो ਅਸੀਂ credit side record करांगे. in case we have revaluation loss तो ਅਸੀਂ debit side record करांगे. Okay, then बेटा next ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਵਾ ਕੋਈ accumulated profit ਜਾਂ accumulated losses given ਹੋਣ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ share ਜਿੰਨਾ ਵੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ deceased partner ਦਾ share ਬਣਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਵੀ record ਕਰੋਗੇ, right? by share in accumulated profits. It could be any reserve, right? It could be general reserve or P&L account जिदा credit balance given होगा, or they can give you any contingency reserve or WCR IFR कोई भी reserves हो सकदियां तो तुसी ਉਹਦੇ ਚ share calculate कर लोगे deceased partner ਦਾ. and in case बेटा कोई accumulated loss आ ਉਹਦਾ भी share तुसी deceased partner ਨੂੰ provide करोगे by debiting his account. Okay, share in accumulated losses, so they could give you the debit balance of P&L account or advertisement suspense account. वो तुसी अपने question दे accordingly देख लोगे. ठीक है बेटा, then in case drawings given ने deceased partner दियां तुसी debit side record करोगे. अगर interest on drawings charge हो रहा वा तो वो भी तुसी debit side record करोगे. Okay, and in case you are providing IOC to the deceased partner तो वो भी ऐसे record करते हैं profit and loss suspense account, and this is for interest on capital. ओके बेटा, एंड इन केस ओल्ड गुडविल इज गिवन तो भी राइट ऑफ करांगे एंड जो डिसीज्ड पार्टनर ਦਾ शेयर ਬਣਦਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਨਾਲ ਡੈਬਿਟ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ, right? Then in case we are providing any salary or commission to the deceased partner ਉਹ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ credit ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ ਬੇਟਾ, and then सब कुछ record करके we will calculate the answer that is balance of this account and वो balance जाऊगा executors ਦੇ account, right? so ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ to deceased partners executors account। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਕਿ ਰਿਟਾਇਰਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਕੇਸ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਕੈਪੀਟਲ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਪ੍ਰਿਪੇਅਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਐਂਡ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਰਿਟਾਇਰਿੰਗ ਪਾਰਟਨਰ ਦਾ ਲਾਸਟ ਤੇ ਬੈਲੈਂਸ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਈਦਰ ਵੀ ਯੂਜ਼ ਟੂ ਰਾਈਟ ਦ ਲੋਨ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਔਰ ਦ ਕੈਸ਼ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਅਗਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪੇਮੈਂਟ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੰਸਟਾਲਮੈਂਟਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਡੇਟ ਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਲੋਨ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ, ਅਗਰ ਇਮੀਡੀਏਟਲੀ ਪੇਮੈਂਟ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੈਸ਼ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਸੀ, ਬਟ ਇਸ ਕੇਸ the partner has already died, right? so we cannot make the payment to that partner, so ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ executors ਦੇ account ਨੂੰ open ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? and then ਜੋ ਵੀ payment ਆ ਉਹ executor ਦਾ account prepare ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ payment ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, that could also be paid immediately, right? ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਵੀ immediate instant payment ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਆ cash, ਔਰ ਉਹ installments ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਆ। then I have told you कि ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਲੋਨ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਵੇਂ ਐਗਜ਼ੀਕਿਊਟਰਸ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਸੋ ਉਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਕਨਸੈਪਟ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਚ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਡਿਸੀਜ਼ਡ ਪਾਰਟਨਰ ਦਾ ਕੈਪੀਟਲ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਪ੍ਰਿਪੇਅਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੀ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਸੋ ਬੇਟਾ let us solve question number 25 and by solving this question ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ better clarity ਹੋ ਜੂਗੀ ਕਿ ਡਿਸੀਜ਼ਡ ਪਾਰਟਨਰ ਦਾ ਕੈਪੀਟਲ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪ੍ਰਿਪੇਅਰ ਕਰੀਦਾ, okay? So let us read the question first. Iqbal and Kamal are in partnership sharing profits and losses in 3:2. Kamal died 3 months after the date of the last balance sheet. According to the deed, his legal hire is entitled to the following. So legal hire nu ki provide karna? His capital as per the last balance sheet, interest on above capital at the rate 3% per annum till the date of death, right? So IUC provide karni hai till the date of death. It means asi IUC provide karange for 3 months, okay? Then is his share of profit till the date of death calculated on the basis of last year's profit. So share of profit up to the date of death किमें calculate करना? Last year the profit the basis पे, right? Then they have given us drawings are to bear interest at an average rate of 2% irrespective of the period. वैसे भी बेटा सानू directly rate given आ 2%, ਪਿੱਛੇ per annum नहीं लिखा होया, it means ਆਪਾਂ time factor ਲੈਣਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ, right? ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ mention ਵੀ ਕਰਤਾ irrespective of the period, means ਜੋ ਵੀ amount of drawings ਹੋਊਗੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦਾ 2% ਕਰ ਦੋਗੇ and you will be getting interest on drawings, okay? Then they have given us net profits for the last 3 years, that is 20, 25 and 30, but ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿਰਫ 30 consider ਕਰਨਾ for the calculation of share of profit. Then beta balance sheet ਦੇ accordingly Kamal ਦੀ capital ਕਿੰਨੀ ਆ 40,000 and drawings till the date of death were 5,000, drawings we given, okay? So I hope कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲ ਗਿਆ कि question ਚ ਕੀ information given ਆ and what we are supposed to do. So let us prepare Kamal's capital account now. So beta first of all we will write the opening balance of the capital which is already given in the question, that is 40,000. Then we will provide IOC to Kamal, profit and loss suspense account. This is for interest on capital. So beta मैं interest on capital इतनी calculate कर रही हूँ 40,000 and the rate is 3% and the time factor that is 3 months. ये भी already question च given है. So IOC दी value कितनी आ गई? So beta it is 300, right? Then we will calculate his share of profit up to the date of death. P&L suspense account. This is for share of profit. So they have given us कि profit share किਵੇਂ determine करना on the basis of last year's profit, that is 30,000, and the time period is 3/12, and Kamal the share कितना बटा 3:2 given a ratio. The share is 2/5. So the share of profit is 3,000. Next they have given us Kamal's drawings, that is 5,000. So here we will write two drawings, 5,000. Then is two interest on drawings. And beta interest on drawings without per annum rate given up. So we will directly find the interest. सिर्फ अपना परसेंट करना, टाइम फैक्टर कंसिडर नहीं करना. So 5,000 the 2%, it will be 100. Then we will determine the balance and we will write to Kamal's executor's account. So balance to be paid to Kamal's executor's account is, so total बन रहा बटा 43,300. उधर जो तुसी 5,100 डिडक्ट कर दो and tell me कि कितना बैलेंस बन रहा. It is 38,200. So beta this is the answer. Let us now solve question number 26. Kareem, Salim and Rahim were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:4:3. The books are closed on 31st March every year and Kareem died on 1st October 2019. On Kareem's death, the goodwill of the firm is valued at 3,50,000. So beta firm the goodwill given up. Kareem's share in profits of the firm in the year of his death was to be calculated on the basis of AP of last 4 years. So beta share of profit calculate karna on the basis of average profit of last 4 years, and last 4 years the profits we given ne. Then they have given us the total amount payable to Kareem's executors on his death was 7,35,000. And on 15th October no उन्होंने payment कर दिया. We are supposed to pass the necessary journal entries, and for that let us first calculate Kareem's share in goodwill and Kareem's share in profit. Okay. So first beta ਆਪਾਂ Kareem ਦਾ share calculate ਕਰਦੇ हैं in goodwill. So beta firm the goodwill given a, that is 3,50,000 and Kareem's share is 3/10. So it will be 1,05,000. Okay. Now let us determine Kareem's share in profit. For that beta we are supposed to take the average of last 4 years. 1,70,000, 1,30,000, 1,90,000, 1,10,000 divided by 4, and then time period किन्ना साडे कोले 6 months and Kareem दा share किन्ना 3/10. Let us determine the share of profit. Beta it is 6 lakh divided by 4. 22,500. Okay beta. So Kareem the share of goodwill are 1,05,000 and Kareem the share of profit are 22,500. Now let us pass the journal entries. So beta first entry की होगी goodwill दी, that is gaining to deceased. So कोई भी information नहीं given है, so we are assuming कि continuing partners जो ने वो gaining partners ने. Salim's capital account debited, Rahim's capital account debited to Kareem's capital account, and his share of goodwill is 1,05,000, and we will distribute it in the ratio 4:3. So beta this is 60,000 and 45,000. Right. Now we will pass the entry for the share of profit. Since the new ratio is not given, so entry will be profit and loss suspense account debited to Kareem's capital account, and the amount is 22,500. Okay, and then beta ek information given are the amount payable to the executor's account. So odi entry ki banugi Kareem's capital account debited to Kareem's executor's account. Right, capital account ची debit कर दिया ना ਆਪਾਂ executors ਨੂੰ, and the amount is given 7,35,000. Got it beta? Beta, let us see question number 27 now. The balance sheet of Sadhu, Raja and Karan, who were sharing profits in the ratio 4:2:4 as at 31st March 2023 was as follows. So balance sheet ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ certain information given ਆ, and I can see general reserve जो कि ਅਸੀਂ distribute कर दांगे, and then they have given us that Sadhu died on 31st July. Okay, and they have given us goodwill of the firm. It is to be valued at 2 years purchase of AP for last 3 years. Last 3 years the average profit calculate करना, then 2 ਦੇ ਨਾਲ multiply करना, firm ਦੀ goodwill आ जाऊगी, ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਧੂ ਦਾ share जो आ वो determine कर लांगे. Sadhu's share of profit or loss till the date of his death was to be calculated on the basis of sales, and ਉਹਦਾ जो profit share आ बेटा वो sales ਦੇ basis ਤੇ calculate करना. So previous year दियां sales are 4,50,000, and from the starting to the date of death जो sales given are that is 2,70,000, and previous year the profit given are 1,25,000. Next they have given us interest on capital was to be provided at the rate 5%, and average profit last 3 years are already given up, that is 55,000. Okay, and Vitaji, I can see in balance sheet they have also given us Sadhu's loan. So beta this is given on asset side, so this is loan to Sadhu, means we have provided loan to Mr. Sadhu of rupees 20,000. So beta इस amount ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੀ capital जो आ decrease करनी आ, so ਇਹਨੂੰ debit side ਆਪਾਂ post कर दांगे. ठीक है, so let us prepare Sadhu's capital account now. First of all we will write balance brought down, which is 80,000. Okay, then beta मैं उधर general reserve the share calculate कर रही हूँ, which is given in the book 10,000. So 10,000 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਧੂ ਦਾ share कितना हो जाऊगा 4/10, so it will be 4,000. then beta sadhu's loan वो मैं transfer कर रही हूँ capital account. This is loan to sadhu, or you can write sadhu's loan also. ठीक है, 20,000. ठीक, then goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase. So goodwill the entry की होगी gaining to deceased. So मैं gaining partners ਦੇ नाम लिख रही हूँ बेटा, Gaining partners will be Raja and Karan. एक काम कर दिया मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ वर्किंग नोट ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ treatment of goodwill दिखा देती ਹਾਂ ठीक है so let us first determine goodwill of the firm 2 years purchase of AP of last 3 years the AP given of 55,000 2 years purchase it will be 1,10,000 right Sadhu's share in goodwill 1,10,000 into Sadhu the share कितना बटा 4/10 share of goodwill is 44,000 an entry will be gaining to deceased Raja Karan to Sadhu 44,000 and बेटा जो remaining ratio आ वही gaining हो जाएगी that is 2:4 so 44,000 ਨੂੰ 2:4 ਚ distribute करोगे it will be 14667 and 29,333 right so let us fill this values 14667 and 29,333 then beta we will calculate his share of profit by profit and loss suspense account and in the question they have given us कि ਅਸੀਂ share of profit calculate करना on the basis of sales right so उस method सब तो पहला ਆਪਾਂ rate of profit determine ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀगे rate of profit is past year ਦਾ जो profit given ਆ divided by previous year दिया sales into 100 right it will be 1250 over 45 मैं फिलहाल इतना ही रख रही हूँ ठीक है then share of profit किमें calculate करांगे sales up to the period of death that is 2,70,000 multiplied by this rate right because a percentage होगा divided by 100 भी करना and the share of that person so beta this is 30,000 so we will write here by P&L suspense account 30,000 right question IUC भी given है profit and loss suspense account and we will also determine the value of IUC that will be 80,000 rate is 5% and the time period is 4/12 it will be 1,333 okay now beta calculate amount to be payable to the executors so beta amount paid to the executor is 139,333 okay beta let us solve question number 28 in this question they have given us X and Y are partners and the deed provides that the accounts they balanced on 31st March every year means year 31st March में ही close हो रहा profits be divided as 1/2 to X 1/3 to Y and 1/6 is carried to a reserve then they have given us in the event of death of a partner his executors will be entitled the capital to his credit till the date of death, means capital the credit balance, then the proportion of profits till the date of death, and वो किमें calculate करना on the basis of AP of last 3 completed years, right? And by way of goodwill, his proportion of the total profit for the 3 preceding years. So बेटा goodwill भी किमें determine करनी है? Preceding 3 years ਦੇ profit ਦੇ basis पे, that is not the average, the total profits of the preceding 3 years. Then ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ profits ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ 4200, 39 and 45, and in this question Mr. Y died on 1st August 2023. Balance sheet check reserve given now. We are supposed to prepare the necessary accounts. So इस question में बेटा अपना Y का ही capital account बनावांगे, ठीक है, and we will determine the amount due to Y's executors account. But एक काम करते हैं, पहला सारे working notes बना लेते हैं, फिर capital account बनाते हैं, ठीक है. So सबसे पहला let us determine the share of profit. Okay. Share of profit, it is to be calculated on the basis of average profit of 3 years. 4200, 3900, 4500. बेटा तुसी ਇਹਦਾ average कर लोगे, right? And then the time period. So Y died on 1st August, so time period is April, May, June and July. That is 4 months. And the share of profit is 1/2 and 1/3. So देखो बेटा, half and 1/3, these are the share of profits. So सबसे पहले the denominator same करके अपना ratio determine कर लेने हैं. That will be 3:2. So Y the share कितना हो गया? 2/5. Now बेटा tell me what is the share of profit? This is 4200, 4/12, 2/5, 560. Now let us determine the share of goodwill. Share of goodwill लिए उन्होंने की कहा सानू कि तुसी total लेना preceding 3 years का, right? Average profit नहीं consider करना. This time we are supposed to take the total profits and उधे चसी उधर share determine कर लांगे. That is 2/5. It is 5040. Okay, and the continuing partner is only X, so entry will be X to Y for goodwill. So goodwill की entry होगी X to Y 5040, and बेटा profit की entry की होगी P&L suspense to Y with the amount 560. Okay. So now let us prepare Y's capital account. So beta, first of all we will write the opening balance. By balance brought down, that is 6000. Then let us determine Y's share in reserve. Balance sheet check reserve given up 3000. Y the share कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 1200. Then by P&L suspense, Y's share in profit that we have already calculated 560, and then by X capital, Y's share in goodwill जो आपका कितना calculate कितना 5040, and then बेटा डेबिट साइड पे तो कुछ नहीं लिखांगे बिकॉज कोई accumulated loss नहीं given, old goodwill नहीं given, drawings नहीं given. So we will directly determine the amount to be paid to Y's executors, right? So Y's executors account will be ये सारियां values का total कर लो बेटा. So this is 12,000 800. With this, question is over. Okay, beta. Got it?